Benjamin Netanyahu, the Freddy Krueger of Gaza. The school shooter, heavyweight champion of the world. The man's killed a lot of kids.
My friends, the terrorist state of Israel want Palestinian civilians to die. Every man, woman, and child in Gaza. Israel's soldiers are deliberately targeting civilians. They fire rockets at schools, hospitals, mosques. They even shoot Palestinian women and children when they try to leave the war zone. Israel is deliberately starving the people of Gaza. All of them. We win, they lose. I want to thank President Trump for his leadership. I thank President Biden for the bumps and for being, as he says, a proud Zionist. Actually, he says a proud Irish-American Zionist. May God bless the great alliance between Israel and America forever.
USA, how many kids did we kill today?